Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 1. Select 3 statements that must be true. Statement A, TDC Incorporated has 40 salespeople. Well, you would have to add up all the frequencies here. This is 14 folks that were in this range. So I have the number here. This is 6, there's the number. This is 8, there's the number. 5, there's the number. And 7. Add all that up and see if you get 40. If you do, then you're probably going to pick that one. That's one of the 3. Statement B, exactly half of the salespeople took fewer than 6 flights. So fewer than 6 flights, that's these folks and these folks are fewer than 6. So add 14 plus 6, compare that number, because you're going to have a number, to the number that you have here when you added this up. And if this number is half of this number, then you're going to pick that one. Let's look at choice C. Exactly 65% of the salespeople took at least one flight. Now, if we look at how, I've been calling this a bucket, but if you look at how the bucket is arranged here, we don't know if these 14 people were all 2 flights. They might have been 1 flight. They might have been 0 flights. We don't know. They're just in that range. So we can't really say exactly 65%. We don't know. We can't determine that. So we're not going to pick that one. Let's look at choice D. More salespeople took between 9 and 14 flights. So that's this grouping right here. So 9 and 14, we're going to add the 5 and the 7. So this is 12 folks. And the other grouping, let's move that out of the way, would be this grouping, which is the, oops, I think I have that backwards. I think I meant to put this one here and this one here. That one works a little bit better. All right, so if we kind of color code this, I think I want to change that to being red, because this would be 12 people for these two. And this one, the 3 to 8 group, this is 6, and the other one is 8, so that adds up to be 14. So this is 14 for those 2 buckets, and this is 12. Make the comparison and decide whether or not that's true. Let's look at choice E. Exactly 30% of the salespeople took at least 9 flights. All right, so if we look at least 9, that's these folks right here. Now look at the numbers that we have here, because it's the same thing. It's 12 out of 40 total people. Percent means out of 100. If we simplify this ratio, that's going to make that mental math. Ask yourself, is this going to be 30%? And if so, you're going to pick that one. Let's look at choice F. Exactly half of the salespeople took at least 7 flights last year. Let's look at how the buckets are arranged. 7 would be in this bucket, but we don't know if these folks, which are 8 of those people, we don't know. They might all have been 6 flights. They might all have been 8 flights. It's possible they could have been 7, but we're not able to determine that by the way this histogram is arranged. So we're not going to pick choice F. All right, so remember, you need to pick 3. Review the video one more time if you're still not sure which 3 you're going to go for. Good luck finishing this up.